I know, Marianne, it's a lovely opening question, but this is your first record to be #1. You must be very pleased about that.
I'm very, very pleased. I couldn't actually believe it in the first sort of 2 weeks. And then finally I thought, well, it must be true. And it really gave my ego a much-needed boost. It was great.
What do you attribute it to?
Well, I think I'm very into country music, and I know the Irish people are also very into it, which they're not really. They're getting more interested in England, but they're not. Perhaps, I don't know, perhaps it's too soft for London, but I know I like it.
You think they like the strong sentimental ballad here, do you?
Yes, well, yeah, why not? Yeah.
Has it been easy for you to come back into music? You've been 10 years out of it now.
It wasn't easy at first, but it sort of gets easier all the time. It was quite difficult to sort of go into a record company again and sort of say, I want to make a record.
What sort of things were they saying to you?
Well, one or two just sort of said, well, I don't know, really.
You belong to the 60s or something?
Yes, you know, sort of faded old thing, you know, get back to the woodwork. And I just sort of went on, and in the end I found a record company and started again.
You never thought, of course, it would happen here for you, did you?
I didn't know. The world is large. You know, I didn't know and I didn't mind. I'm very glad it happened here because I've been coming here for years and I know Ireland very well. And I can sort of relate to it and I feel very, you know, well, isn't that typical sort of loyal people, you know a good song when they hear one.
You're saying they've long memories here.
Yes, but in the right way.
You're planning to get a band on the road and tour the country. When can we expect that?
6 weeks' time.
What sort of a band and where are you getting the band from?
Well, it's still sort of being got together, so I can't sort of, it's not obviously, well, not obviously, but it's just not going to be superstars or anything. It's just good musicians. And it's going to be very exciting for me because I always went on tour with a guitarist, which was rather boring. And this will be the first time I actually have bass and drums and keyboards and sort of
Marianne Faithfull Orchestra.
Oh no, band, just roadshow.
in a sense, this is a third period in your life because you were very successful as a singer and then you were very successful on the stage. Are you a bit worried about the pressures of becoming immensely popular again?
Slightly, but you just take those things as they come, and presumably one's growing up and can take them a bit better.
You think you'll be a harder nut to
crack?
Oh,
I'm a very hard nut now, yes.
Okay, will you finish by telling me about your new record, which we're going to have on the show tonight for the first time?
Yeah, it's called Wrong Road Again.